بہت شکریہ صفدر بھائی مجھے یہاں بلانے کا. میری شاید فیس ریکگنیشن تو ہوگی لیکن شاید نام سے سب کو پتہ نہ ہو. میرا نام ارشاد خالد ہے. It's been 20 years I'm in real estate and I started my career with Wabistہ and today again I'm with Wabistہ. I'm the first Muslim in entire Canada who got approval as a Wabistہ franchisee until today. Out of the Wabistہ own community. We have another Asghar bhai who converted his Remax to Wabistہ, but as a first direct kind of approval was myself.
MashaAllah.
Salim bhai is my partner. Salim Chaudhary of Dixie Electronics is my business partner. And we are running one office which is located Keel and 401. And the second office which is under construction, which should be opening inshallah after Eid. We will have Eid party there in Brampton, North Brampton, that's McLaughlin and Remembrance Road. So my personal specialty is, I'm proud that my community is doing very well. We have so many well-known names. I don't have to name everybody, but big names. We have Adnan Bashir, we have Zia Abbas, we have many others. But mostly we hear about residential real estate, which is very good to have. It's a good product to sell. I would say, I would appreciate everyone if people can start taking interest, raise your own people, come to commercial real estate. I have been doing commercial real estate for the last 14 years, and that's totally a different destination.
Definitely.
You can achieve, there is no target which you cannot achieve. Royal pertains over 20,000 agents in Canada. I was rated in 2022, I was rated at 35th position in commercial real estate in entire Canada.
Very good. Very good.
So that's basically, it seems like an easy target, but it's not. But everybody can do that. My 99% interaction is mostly with the white agents because they are all in commercial real estate. I'm a trainer myself. I train people, regardless somebody is working with me or not, but the services are available. For franchise sales, for commercial development, there's so many things. Commercial is all about specialty. And I would urge upon everyone to have some experience in commercial real estate. Commercial is the actual real estate, which is 50% of the total. We work, that's commercial. We live, that's residential.
That's right.
99% of our community is focusing only on 50% real estate. And I would really appreciate if you guys can raise all of your teams, commercial agents, make a commercial sector. You can take a big piece out of the pie. That should be the target. So thank you very much, صفدر bhai, for inviting me here. And please come here. I have some flowers for you. Kyani sir?